GATmatic GI8000, a professional 6-cylinder fuel injector cleaner and tester. First, prepare the appropriate injectors, injector adapters, and all mounting bracket accessories. Insert the rubber ring into the top of each injector adapter. Attach an injector adapter to each injector. Insert the assembled injectors into the corresponding ports on the fluid distribution assembly. Align the fixing base plate with the bottom of the injector. Pass 3 fixing rods through the holes in the mounting bracket. These rods will guide the entire assembly into position on top of the machine. Tighten the knobs on top of the mounting bracket to secure the rods in place. The injector assembly is now ready for installation. Align the ends of the distributor rods with the ports on top of the GI8000. Connect the LED window power cable to the power port on the side of the machine. Connect the distributor tubing to the fluid distribution assembly, and tighten the connection with a wrench to ensure a leak-free connection. Connect the power supply to the GI8000 and turn on the power switch. Connect the pulse cable power connector to the GI8000 and secure it. Following the numbers on the pulse cables, connect them to the injectors in sequence. Pour the test fluid into the upper test fluid recovery tank. The fluid level must exceed the blue range and reach the green mark before testing can begin. Select the appropriate injector type for testing. Press the F key to switch between test functions. Press Start, then press Pump to begin testing. Adjust the pressure regulator knob on the side of the machine. The pressure gauge displays the system pressure. Press the switch button to view the spray pattern of each injector individually. You can adjust the test duration, pulse frequency, and RPM as needed. Observe each spray pattern in real time. Place the fluid separator above the viewing window. Lift the entire test tube to pour the test fluid out for recovery. Once complete, return the fluid separator to the top of the test tube. Press F to switch to F2, Leak Test. Start the test and adjust the pressure regulator knob on the right to avoid excessive pressure. Check the injectors for any signs of leakage. Press F to switch to F3, Injection Flow Test. Start the flow test, then pause to review the test results. Press F to switch to F4, Pulse Injection Test. Start the injection test. Press F to switch to F5, Auto Detection. The test speed varies over time to evaluate injector performance under high-speed conditions. Mount the fluid separator above the viewing window. Pour the test fluid from the observation tube back into the recovery tank. Switch to F1 and start the test. The viewing window provides a clearer view of the spray patterns. If you need to stop the machine during operation, press the red button on the side to immediately cut off the power. To restore power, rotate the button to release it. Connect the ultrasonic cleaner power cable to the GI8000 power port. Connect the pulse cables to the injectors and place them into the ultrasonic cleaning tank. Pour ultrasonic cleaning solution into the tank. Turn on the ultrasonic cleaning function of the GI8000. Disconnect the test fluid recovery tube. Remove the top plug and take out the bottle to collect the test fluid.